Hi, I'm Edward Hobbs and welcome to August Market Video. I just want to start today by congratulating the effort of the sales team. Off the back of the recent government announcements and the lockdown that's come into play, there are a number of properties that went straight under offer. Bench Street in Cremorne, Strafford Street, Hyatt Street, a couple of good townhouses in Richmond, in Abbotsford, a little single front in Park Street, so well above the price guide, and also Nicholson Street, another townhouse which sold well as well. Now moving across into clearance rates, of course, they came in through July at 75%. By any yardstick, that is certainly an impressive KPI. It must be said though that the auction clearance rate is coming off a low stock base of listings, as a lot of agents have moved across into private sales or also expressions of interest. National Property Clock from Heron Todd White comes out each month, and let's have a look at houses that have moved and ticked across from approaching peak of market to peak of market. Apartments themselves have also stayed at peak of market, which is interesting. At ground level low, in the coal face of selling, we are finding though that a little bit of anxiety has been eased from those spring months as government stimulus packages and mortgages unfreezing have been extended out, which means a little bit of the intensity has come out of the months to come. Now, the REIV President Leah Cullen's come out recently and said that the property market in Victoria has certainly held firm against predictions of the impact of COVID-19. The latest quarterly median prices have been released and do say that the market is still very strong. While there has been a small adjustment in prices from the previous quarter, the market is in much better shape than it was in 2019. House prices in metropolitan Melbourne fell by just 3.5% over the June quarter, following 4 quarters of continuous growth. With a median price of $864,000 for houses in metropolitan Melbourne, they are still 6.1% more valuable than they were at this time last year. Looking at units in Melbourne, they have recorded a quarterly median price of $621,000, just under 2.5% lower than the previous quarter, having grown by 6.4% year on year. Now, we do have some magnificent upsized properties available to have a look at now if you are in our marketplace. Now, let's start with 122 Buckingham Street in Richmond. This is so beautifully renovated, you have to walk through to fully appreciate what is on offer here today. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's got a carport as well through Little Buckingham Street, 2 street frontages. That is a must inspect. 8 Canterbury Street in Richmond is also a fabulous house. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's also very sophisticated. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms as well, 2 car parks, plus a beautiful low maintenance courtyard garden as well is also a must to inspect. Number 3 Goodwood Street on Richmond Hill as well, highly prized location there. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms as well, which is beautifully renovated brick Edwardian. And also, if you're in the market for a luxury townhouse, you can't go any further than 132A Somerset Street in Richmond. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3 outdoor areas as well, plus a rooftop terrace. This is a must to see. It's got a double garage, which really does complete the package. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all we've got time for today. Stay safe. We'd love to see you out in the marketplace. If you are looking at transacting, reach out. We can help you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.